हाय फ्रेंड्स, हम आज लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म का लास्ट थ्योरम देखने वाले हैं। वो है इफ़ हमें वो प्रूव करने का है। लिमिट t टेंस टू ज़ीरो एफ ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू लिमिट s टेंस टू इन्फिनिटी यस इंटू एफ ऑफ एस। हमें ये प्रूव करने का है। देन लिमिट t टेंस टू इन्फिनिटी एफ ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू लिमिट एस टेंस टू ज़ीरो यस एफ ऑफ एस। यहाँ देखो, यहाँ लिमिट ज़ीरो है और यहाँ इन्फिनिटी है। मतलब लिमिट जब लिमिट ज़ीरो होगा तो एस टेंस टू इन्फिनिटी यहाँ आएगा, और यहाँ जब इन्फिनिटी होगा तब यहाँ ज़ीरो आएगा। अब प्रूफ, आई नो प्रूफ लिमिट proof. First we prove limit t tends to infinity f of t is equal to limit s tends to infinity yes f of s. First, we know that Laplace transform of f dash of t is equal to yes f of s minus f of 0. We know. Then, or we know also Laplace transform of f of t's equations. What is this? This is integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f dash of t f dt. First equation, that is if Laplace transform of, I write this equation. This is Laplace transform of f of t is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. But here is f dash of t. So here we put here f dash of t is equal to yes f of s minus f0. So then here making s tends to infinity. Here what is this? Here limit is s tends to infinity. So we put here s tends to infinity. Limit s tends to infinity. Here put integration 0 to infinity raised to minus st f dash of t dt is equal to limit s tends to infinity f of s minus f0. But f0, or here is f of s and here is f of 0 minus f of 0. So minus f of 0, shift other sides of other side. Then limit s tends to infinity yes f of s is equal to f of 0 plus integration 0 to infinity limit s tends to infinity e raised to minus st f dash of t, f dash of here f dash of t. But I say here f of 0 is constant and f dash of t is constant. Here we put limit here s tends to infinity, so variable is yes, not t. Okay, f dash of t is constant and f0 is constant. So f of 0 here is e raised to minus infinity is 0, and then f dash of t. So here this is also 0 multiplications 0. So or limit s tends to infinity f of s is equal to f of 0. F of 0 is also equal to limit t tends to infinity f of t. Here put variable t, so limit is f t tends to infinity. So then limit s tends to 0 f of s is equal to limit t tends to 0 f of t. T tends to 0 f of t and t tends to infinity f of t. Okay, there are two limit put, t tends to 0, t tends to infinity. So we prove this. This is limit t tends to 0 f of t is equal to limit s tends to infinity s f of s. Then we prove second, that is limit t tends to second is here is second. We see here limit t tends to infinity, f of t is equal to limit s tends to 0 s f of s. Here first we prove, then we prove second. Then making s tends to 0 we get. First we prove first, then we put there making s tends to infinity. Then we put then we prove second, then we put here making s tends to 0 we get here is Laplace transform of f dash of t is equal to s f of s minus 0, or then we know Laplace transform of f of t. This is equation is integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f dash of t dt. So here we put limit s tends to 0. So our equation C is limit s tends to 0 s f of s minus f of 0. Here is f of 0. Limit s tends to 0, integration 0 to infinity raised to minus st f dash of t dt. But this is constant, so don't take limit here, only take limit here, and here only raised to minus st and f of s. So then integration 0 to infinity limit s tends to 0 means e raised to 0 is 1 e raised to 0 also 1. So remaining here is f dash of t, but f dash of t dash means derivatives. So derivative and integrations are both are opposite, so they are cancelled, only limit here remaining. So f of t limit is t to infinity, so this is also equal to 0 means 0. This is also equal, this is not equal to 0, sorry, limit t tends to infinity, here t tends to infinity, limit f of t minus f of 0. Here is f of t and f of infinity means f of 0. So limit s tends to 0 f of s is equal to limit t tends to infinity f of t. We prove second equations. Then theorem 12, Laplace transform of the Laplace transform means Laplace transform of Laplace transform, double Laplace transform. Here is Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of, here is Laplace transform equation which 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. Then here is Laplace transform. So this equation is integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus su ds. So this and this, then the area of integration being the whole positive quadrant. Now changing the order of integrations, we get Laplace transform of f of t is equal to integration 0 to infinity f of t dt. F of t dt, then here is same base, so adding both e raised to minus s is common, so in bracket t plus u, then this is also equal to integration 0 to infinity f of t dt. Then here we get here limit integration, then e raised to minus s in bracket t plus u divided by minus t plus u, limit is 0 to infinity. So limit here put e raised to infinity minus infinity is 0 and e raised to 0 is 1. So this is also equal to 1 and remaining is 1 upon t plus u. So this is also equal to integration 0 to infinity f of t, here is remaining is t plus u dt. So this is the 12th theorem of Laplace transform. So we have to complete here Laplace transform, then we have to solve. Then next video is depending on inverse Laplace transform. So here our notes is very simple. So write our notes and solve some problems we get understand. Then like my videos and follow and subscribe it. So next chapter we have to start in next video. So thank you.